Alright guys, I didn't record an intro, but welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be doing this amazing glam look using the Mario and KKW palette. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it if you haven't yet. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right to this video. Just a reminder, I am actually doing a giveaway here on my YouTube channel, and I am also doing a giveaway on my Instagram page, so check me out over there and enter the giveaway over here if you haven't yet. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is grab the KKW and Mario palette, and I am going to dip this blending brush into that matte vanilla shade, and I am using the SL Miss Glam IPSY L34 Blend Beauty brush, and I'm just again applying this all over my lids to give me a nice beautiful base. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using that medium warm tone matte shade, and I'm also using the same SL Miss Glam blending brush, and I'm just applying that all over my crease area. Next, I'm using the dark plummy burgundy shade, and this one is called Vegas, and I really like this color. And I'm using the Royal & Langnickel Eye Shader brush, and this one is the BMD 466 brush. It is flat, and you are going to just basically apply this on your lower eyelid area and just keep building that color up. I took that same blending brush that I used earlier to just run it all over my crease area to make sure that there is no harsh line going on. Now I'm going in with the shade Libra, and this is the blue shade that you see in the palette, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm using the flat shader brush from Royal & Langnickel. That's the same brush that I used to apply Vegas earlier. So basically what I'm doing here is I am going over the first shade that I applied on my lids, and I'm just basically building that and building that color, and you will see that the purple or the violet is starting to come out. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Christian Dior Forever foundation, and I am in the shade number 31. And I do mix this with the LA Girl foundation, the white foundation. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? But I do mix it with that because this is a little bit darker on my skin tone. That foundation mixed in with this does not change the consistency or the finish of this foundation, and it is absolutely beautiful. For my concealer, I am using the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and I am in the shade Medium Beige. So I love this concealer because one, it is cheaper than any other concealer that is good out there currently. And number two, I love the coverage of this concealer because it does a great job with covering my under eye circles, and it stays on all day and it does not crease. So check it out if you get the chance. So I'm using the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge to apply my concealer, and I'm just basically applying this wherever I applied the concealer and just blending this all over my face. And as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. The finish is looking awesome already. And then I went in with the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm just basically setting my under eye to make sure that my crease does not cake and my makeup does not move. Going back to the eyes, I took a small pencil brush and I took the shade Vegas again. This is the deep purple mauve shade in the palette, and I'm just basically running that underneath my eyes to give me a nice smoky look. Going in with the shade Libra, and this is the blue shade from the palette. So I am also using the same pencil brush. I am just applying that underneath the lower lash line to kind of mimic the shade that I have on my lids. Also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes using the shade 2008, and this is the chunky silver shade that is in this palette. So you can see it is chunky, but we are applying that in the inner corners of the eyes. Make sure that your brush is wet when you apply this. It is gonna be easier to apply it rather than having fallout. Now in this, I'm using the Rimmel London contour stick, and I'm just applying this in the hollows of my cheeks, on the sides of my face, forehead, and nose, just to make sure that everything is contoured and I do have that nice, beautiful dimension on my face. So for my blush, I'm using the Girls Getaway Trio from the Balm, and I mix the shade Balm Spring and Balm Beach. So these are the two warm shades in this palette. So I'm just applying that in the apples of my cheeks, and I am using the Morphe E4 brush to apply that on my cheeks. So for my highlight on fleek, I am using the ABH and Resi collaboration highlighter, and this one is actually one of my favorites. I think I like this more than the Jaclyn Hill one, just because the formula is really different. It goes into your skin like a cream and it looks really nice, like it's airbrushed. But I'm just applying this in the high points of my face, and I'm using the IPSY B36 tapered highlighting brush from SL Miss Glam. And you gotta do the Huda Beauty lashes, and I am using the lashes Samantha. My lip liner, I'm using the Jonte Blue liner, and this one is called Nude. And then for my lips, I'm using my favorite NARS lipstick, and this one is Dolce Vita, and this one is a perfect nude pink shade. So try it out if you haven't. It's so comfortable on lips, so definitely try it out. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. It is so beautiful, especially for those of you who have brown eyes. This is the perfect smoky eye look. So definitely try it out for yourselves. Don't be afraid. And I love you guys so much. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.